Good job, sweetie. Put it in the chute. Good job. We got a sock. You can put the sock in the chute. Thank you. What's that? A shirt. Put it in the chute. Put the shirt in the chute. Whoa! Good job, sweets. Here's your pants in the chute. Here's another shirt. More pants in the chute. See, am I helping you, Mommy? A little bit. That one's hard. Did it get stuck? Good job. There's another shirt. In the chute. Chute. Is that what it sounds like? It goes down the chute. Where are they? Are they down there? There's a few more sweets. You want to help me put these in there? Stop. Don't rip that, please. Here. A sock in the chute. Okay, here's another shirt. A shirt in the chute. Go Jack. Ooh. Shoot. Daddy's shorts. Those are heavy. I don't know if you can do it. You got it? Here. Yeah, those are heavy ones. You can do it. You can do it, Jack. Whew. Hey, Daddy, stop wearing such heavy shorts. Shoot, let go. Oh, it's gone. One more. Yay! All done. What do you think? Why are you looking at the light? Shoot. Shoot. Shoot, shoot, shoot. What do you think, baby? All done. Alright, we're done with that job. On to something else.